Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Warhammer 40k Space Marine 2 Error Code CSF. The error reads, "Connection to Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine 2 services was lost." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users face issues connecting to the game's services, especially after the recent patch. According to our research, this is likely a connection-related issue and may be related to the game servers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart the entire game. Simply exit to the desktop, then close the game process completely, and then relaunch it. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, power cycle your device along with the internet. Simply shut down your device and unplug the router. Then wait for around 5 minutes. Then restart both devices and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then check if there is any pending update for the game. If yes, update the game and check for the error. If the error still continues, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Once connected to a new network, launch the game and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then it is probably a server-side issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.